Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be getting into another week of Amazon tool deals. Now, like I've stated in my other Amazon videos, these can be tools that are on sale or have a coupon included with them, or they could be tools at full price that I believe to be good tools. And then there might also be some items that I think are interesting and are open to your guys' input if you have purchased those items. But today, the first tool we're looking at is a tool that was on sale just a little bit ago when I added it to the list, and now is not. It says right now the price is $62. Definitely do not buy this for that price. Its normal price is $32. I don't know what's going on. That's not the on sale price. It's $32 to $36. And at that price, I think it's a good organizer. So it's a multifunctional magnetic tool organizer. So I am trying to reorganize my work situation, so I do mobile repairs, paintless dent removal, and I just got my transit van, and I'm trying to set up my organization in the van for this work, and I thought this is an interesting little organizer, so I actually have it. Like you can see, I purchased it on September 23rd. I've opened it up. It seems to be good quality. The slides, there are a couple pieces that slide out over here. We'll see how those hold up over time. I'm not saying this is a fantastic tool. I just thought it was a kind of a neat multifunctional tool organizer that I can use for work. And so I'm going to give it a try out, and I will keep you guys updated on it. On this back row at the top, you have little socket organizers, and there is a magnet behind each one of them to hold the sockets. And then when you close these slide outs, it doesn't block any of the holes, so you can still use the organizer, or you can slide the things out and allow yourself to store some more tools. And then it does have some good size magnets on the back. And then on the bottom, it actually has a few hooks to hang your wrenches. So it seems to be good organizer. Here you can see it closed. Here it is open. You can see those magnets for the sockets. And then you can kind of see some wrenches hanging down below and the sockets up top. So it says it stores up to 71 tools, and it holds 15 pounds, so it seems to have some pretty good magnets on it. We'll see once I actually start using it how it is, but once again, do not purchase it at this $62. So I guess that could be something I could add to my Amazon videos. Are tools not worth it? And at this price, it is definitely not worth it. At the $30 range, I believe it is, but once again, I'll keep you guys updated. So here we have Tauren's bit organizer. I use this to hold all of my nut driver bits or nut driver bit sockets for my impact driver, and it's fantastic. A lot of different companies use this exact same design, probably the exact same one, just rebranded. It has a magnetic strip on the bottom, nothing like crazy strong or anything like that, but it does have just enough pressure to hold the bit in there pretty nicely. You have one larger center hole, and then the other ones are all good for your 1/4 inch bits. And then there's a magnetic strip on the bottom, so it will mount to something, and then it will also hold the bits on the inside as well. I really enjoy it. It's a very cheap, good organizer I've had for quite some time. So I actually have the Tauren one, and I have all of my little nut driver in here, and it works good. So I figured that I'd throw that up on there. I do a lot of tools, but organizers are also a great thing. Right now, this is $11.42. You save 5% or 60 cents basically. It's got 4.5 stars at 835 ratings. Next up is a Gearwrench product. So last week I did a video on just the 1/4 inch drive ratchet. I think it was on sale for $24 or somewhere around there, $24, $25. It's a locking flex head 1/4 inch drive. It is not quick release. I think I stated in the previous video I thought it was quick release because I saw that little silver button on the back. That is actually to release the bit. That little 1/4 inch socket adapter is a bit attachment, so you can use your other bits with this ratchet, and then you also get the shorter one as well. Altogether, I think it's a very nice set. You get some sockets 4 through 13, and then some Torx and flat and Allen and Phillips and stuff, and an extension. So altogether, I think it's a good kit. I think $58 is fair. Not a fantastic price, but a fair price. A decent deal. Let me know your guys' thoughts, or if you own it, let me know your guys' thoughts. Right now, once again, $58, 4.5 stars at 85 ratings. Here's kind of some of the specs on it if you would like to read up on that. Here is another Gearwrench product that I actually own, and I use this at work all the time. It is their rechargeable 300 lumen compact work light. Very handy. The battery is very good on it. It does use a USB-C charger. You can lay it flat, and then here you have two magnets that are fairly strong, and then you also have a hook there, so you can hang it as well. So I like that it has a magnet and a hook, and it's very slim, so it's great for tight situations, and that you can just lay it down and it's not going to roll or anything like that. You have the main light, and then you also have a light on the top as well. And so the top light is 100 lumen, and then the front light is 150 or 300 lumens. And this one is on sale at $23.44, down from $32.50, so a savings of just over $9, 4.5 stars at over 350 ratings. And then one of the items that I wanted to mention, like I stated, I'm going to be transferring all of my work tools and stuff to a transit van and working out of it. So I have a lot of Milwaukee M12 tools and DeWalt 20 volt tools. And so I started looking at ways I can organize those without taking up all my drawer space or cart space or anything like that, my toolbox space. And I found these. There are some cheaper ones, but these are USA made, very small company. A couple of guys started just a few years ago, and I was willing to spend a little bit of extra money to help out a small USA made business called Spartan Mounts. And this has 4.5 stars at 30 ratings. Now, they can be a little bit expensive if you need a lot of them. If you only need a couple, it's not bad. This specific one is $14, and you can get them to where they're facing to the right or they're facing to the left. They also make a lot of other mounts, not just Milwaukee M12. They make it for the M18, the DeWalt 20 volt, 12 volt, rigid, Makita. I mean, a lot of different tool brands. They also make them for rifle attachments and holders and stuff like that, so firearms. And they're coming out with new organizers every week, so it's pretty cool, everything that they've came up with so far. And I tested it. It is a nice snug fit, so I can't wait to get them mounted in the van and actually mount all my tools. I'll be able to line them all up down one of my drawers on the side, and I'll just be able to grab the tool. I also not only picked up tool holder, but they also, here you can see the left and the right and the M18. They also have a battery holder as well. Here you can see they're all 3D printed, so you can see those, lines in it and stuff. All 3D printed items, USA made, like I stated before. But they have a wide lineup. So here you can see they have a lot of different things for different tools and accessories for other items as well. And if you want, you can go ahead and check out Spartan Mounts. Once I get my transit van set up, I will show you all of the tools that I've recently purchased. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this week's video on Amazon tool deals or other things I thought were interesting. Once again, do not buy that tool organizer from the beginning of the video at $60. That is a little bit ridiculous. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you get of your guys' thoughts on these items. I know a lot of these were organizers except for the Gearwrench products, but organizers are also really important when it comes to tools and working. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time.